Hello, good morning. Good morning everyone. Happy di happy smile guys. Guys, maging happy lang tayo always. Kahit gaano tayo ka-busy sa trabaho, please, maging happy lang. Ayan guys, may order ako dalawang extra large pizza. Pick up order po snack times. Ito siya, cheese lang. Ayan. Naglimit yung cheese oh. Ayan, napakasarap yung bagong luto. Ito naman guys, hampay na apple. Ayan. Ayan. It's look yummy yummy. Ayan. Napakasarap ng pizza namin guys. Guys, pag gusto nyo ng masarap na pizza, visit lang kayo sa location namin kung nasa St. Paul kayo. Ito yung address namin. Pwede kayo tumawag, pwede magpa-deliver, pwede walk-in. Kung sa Edmonton naman kayo guys, yan. Visit lang kayo sa address namin. 241 yung pizza namin guys, yan. Yan, napakasarap ng pizza namin. Garantisado yan guys. Yan. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. Bye-bye.